I just want to introduce you guys to a Muay Thai combo. I was studying with Master Danny, my Muay Thai instructor, for the past few years, and he introduced me to this, and it goes up to a really high number in this combination set, but I just brought it down from just 1 to 10 in the beginning. I want you guys to try to see if you can get this combination down, uh, you know, without forgetting it or falling down and making mistakes. And then I'm gonna put out another video going up to 20, and then from until 30. So it's a sequence from 1 all the way to however long we need to go to. All right. So just a couple tips when you guys are doing this. From in your stance, Master Danny had us do this Muay Thai combination just because when we're fighting or sparring or whatever, or hitting pads, right, we want to be able to throw a shot or strike from whatever position we're in without stumbling and losing balance, and always trying to be in our stance. So that was his main thing, always having a good stance, which we always tell you guys, and shooting out your strikes and putting it back to where you brought it from, right? Your strikes is not done until you bring it back, right? So remember, just try to stay in your stance, no wobbling or stumbling. If you want to challenge yourself, what we have to do, so if we would mess up or fall or forget the order, we'd have to go 10 push-ups right away and then back into the combination, right? So if you want to do that, you can do something like push-ups or squats, or a 10-mile run. I don't know, whatever you want to do. The next tip is for the elbows. When you guys are practicing the elbows in this video, we went over in the teens class, so just picture deer antlers. So what you guys are going to do is take your hand, right, the back of your thumb, you're going to place it on your forehead, right? This is to protect other elbow strikes coming in, because when you throw elbows and knees, you're in range for elbows and knees as well, so it's a close range attack, so you want to make sure you're defending as well, right? So what you guys are going to do, take your hand, bring it up right to your forehead. The elbow, when you guys throw your strike, just keep your hand open and relaxed, right? You don't want to make a tight fist for this, and just keep your arm right close to your body and just swing your elbow across, boom, just like that, right? You still have that vision, and then you're also protecting in case another elbow comes up on top, right? So I want you guys to try to practice a little bit of this before you go into the combination. So one more time, so bringing that hand up, right? And then you can start with your hand here or here, doesn't matter, but I like to start from here, coming around, hitting with that tip of the elbow or the forearm right here, and then coming right back, right? You can do the other side. You can keep your hands open, closed, starting, but remember, when you throw your elbows open, relax, more speed, more power for those elbows, okay? Now the other side, back of my thumb up here, and then my other arm comes around, throwing my elbow strike, right? And then coming back over, back to my stance. Okay, so just try to practice that, and then it's the same thing like we throw hook punches, okay, or jab and cross, or doorway blocks. Make sure you're turning your body for those elbows, and you'll see in the video, okay? So try to make sure you get that pivoting down. So it's gonna be I forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, it's gonna be a regular pace combo, and then it's gonna be a slow and then an even slower version of it in the video, so you can pause it, rewind it, whatever you want to do. All right, a little too long of an intro, but I'm gonna let you guys get right into it. Let me know what you guys think. Wednesday, we are launching EvolveAll.tv. It's gonna be a Netflix streaming site type deal where Evolve All is compiling videos and memories and footage and all sorts of knowledge for the community. You guys can go ahead and check out everything we have from videos to breakdowns to old Evolve All videos and everything like that. The link will be in the description for you guys, so make sure you go ahead and check it out. So be safe, have fun, stay tuned for the Muay Thai combo. Let's go to 20 next time. All right, cool.